This year, I get to announce a really exciting statistic. You've collected over 1 billion reality capture photos. That's over 1 million hours in your boots, fingers on sticks, walking with cameras in the field. Each one of those photos, I think one thing that's really amazing, you think this is 1 billion times, they are on incredible job sites with incredible people.
We are excited to share with you the new and improved DroneDeploy. One place for all reality capture data. By bringing together the best of StructionSight and DroneDeploy, we have unified our platform into DroneDeploy Aerial and DroneDeploy Ground.
We're finally able to start delivering it in the product, and it's going to appear in the DroneDeploy app. And that is time lapses.
Those of you who map often at remote or offline sites might have been wondering when we might dip our toe into post-process corrections. Well, I'm excited to share with you today we're launching global PPK processing with fast convergence regions in all of North America and Europe.